least nobody's got bogged in this year, so see what happens for next year. I'll let you disappear off and set up your head, Jeff, and I shall continue listening about and see what's going on. And speak to you soon, mate. I must get round to setting something up here. I still haven't. I've been here almost a year, and it's too many other things going on at the moment. So I will get round to it eventually. Obviously, since changing the vehicle as well, I've got to put everything back in the car. So yeah, we'll get there eventually. Back to you, Simon. G0 UFE portable, M1 IHM.
M1IHM, G0 UFE portable. Okay, Dylan, yeah, it was a shame it was put up. We actually went up to do the 6-metre contest in June on the 16th, and the rain was coming in sideways to me and Pete Westwell, 2E0ZSU. We couldn't get out of the van, and I was going the trailer. Worried about getting bogged down as well, because I got out, although I'm quite big, as you know. I started to sink a little bit into the ground, and we were worried about bottoming out with the van, so we just made it a couple of times just to see if we can keep, so we didn't get bogged down. But yeah, terrible conditions, and that was on the Saturday. We came away, to start off with, we got up there at about 11:15, and about 1:45 we decided to say, forget it, let's go home. So we radioed some of the others and we went. But Friday, because it was so wet on the Friday, Martin decided that it wasn't worth the risk with the equipment. I mean, it's all right as it is now, and it'll probably dry out a little bit. But it needs about 3-4 days of weather like this before it dries out. So consequently, we decided to pull the plug. So that's the second contest this year we've missed. There's a couple more coming up, but the one I'm more interested in is Simon Taylor, 2E0CHV. I think he's doing one from Much Wenlock for the Olympics. GB0 William Pennybrook for the William Pennybrooks Olympic Games in Much Wenlock. I think that's on the 9th and 10th, or the 10th and 11th, can't remember which it is now, of August. We're actually going to be doing a special event station from the church, which is now the Scout Hut, I think, or Scout headquarters. So yeah, there's no one to look forward. That'll be an overnight, although it's close, because obviously they'll probably want somebody to work through the night on 40 or 80. We'll have a look. But like on 40 or 80, we will have a look. But
G0 UFE portable, M1 IHM. I don't know what's happened here. The IC link was listed up as muted in the channel list, so I'm not sure what's happened there. But I'll say 7-3 for now, Simon, and let you get cracking. I might have a drive down for the Olympic station, come and have a nose. Be nice to catch up with everybody again. I'll say 7-3 for now, mate, and I'll catch you soon. G0 UFE portable, M1 IHM.